He's going.
Alright, this is called Rabbit's Snow Dance. It's about how a rabbit loses his tail. A long time ago, rabbits had long tails. And this is the story about how they lose it. It was summer, but Rabbit always got what he wanted. Whenever he wanted something, he would say, I want it, I want it, I want it. So when he was getting sick of just hopping around in the summer, he said, I want it, I want it, I want it, to the snow. And all the animals warned him that that was not a good idea. And that the snow in the summer would make everybody's life chaos. So one day, the rabbit said, it's going to snow. I'm singing the snow dance. So he said, I want snow, Askananapu. I want snow, Askananapu. And it didn't snow yet, but all the animals said, it can't snow yet, I haven't collected my nuts for the winter. Or it can't snow yet, I didn't finish my dam for the winter. And the turtle said it can't snow yet because he wasn't ready to sleep all winter. And one day when Rabbit finally got to his home, he started singing the snow dance and playing his drums. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. Yo, 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 yo. And it started to snow. And then all the animals started scurrying around. He sang it again. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. And the snow began to fall even more. The small animals began to get buried in the snow. The large animals that had big feet loved it, just like the rabbit, because they could walk right on top of the snow. So they began to sing along. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. By this time, the snow was up to the big animals' heads. They had to run for shelter. But again, Rabbit sang, E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. And the snow grew taller. By now, there was a lot of snow on the ground. It was up to the trees. But if that much snow was good, more would be better. So he sang it again. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. E-o, e-o, thump, thump, thump. Yo, 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 yo. And by this time, the snow was on top of all the trees, so only one branch was open. Rabbit sat on that branch and decided to take a nice long nap. He slept so long that the sun began to rise and the summer heat began to melt the snow. It went down below the trees, then down below the bushes, and down below the ground. So all the animals began to do what they do in the summer, gathering nuts, building their dams, and running around and playing. All of a sudden, Rabbit woke up. He was about to go play in the snow because he didn't rub the sleep out of his eyes. And down he fell, and with each branch that he fell on, part of his tail came off along the way. By the time he was at the bottom, there was nothing but a cotton ball left. And that's how the rabbit's tail fell off. The end.